Cough presents variety of symptoms. So are the various cough formulas available. Choosing one which is effective yet safe is a challenging task. Vasu Healthcare, a leading global phytopharmaceutical, presents Zeal SF Cough Syrup, a uniquely versatile cough formula. Zeal SF Cough Syrup is ideal for all age group of patients and all types of cough. Zeal SF is a multifaceted cough syrup as it has holy basil, Adha Toda Vasakha and licorice, making it the first choice cough reliever. The active ingredient of holy basil possesses antimicrobial, immunomodulatory and antioxidant properties. Active ingredient of licorice can inhibit mucin gene expression and production of mucin protein by directly acting on airway epithelial cells. Thus it soothes and relaxes the epithelial cells. Thus Zeal SF Cough Syrup is truly 3-in-1 cough formula and an ideal for mixed symptoms. I often prescribe no alcohol and no gluten cough formula to all my patients as it is safe for any age group. Besides, the holy basil based formulation makes Zeal SF an effective choice for cough treatment.
I am extra careful in prescribing cough syrup. I trust Zeal SF Cough Syrup as it is natural.
Doctor, when you require a cough syrup which soothes the irritated throat, relaxes bronchial muscles and stabilize mast cells of respiratory system, prescribe Zeal SF. Zeal SF, the multifaceted, safe and effective cough formula for all age group.